Backyard kitchen ebusiafo aha na komo no wo. Now said them now unim say yen konkomo no so kra ye bebiem kakra bi na yeso yetie ye nuan mo maka so ene. Me ba cha say ba.
Nana see.
Her social media, I'm talking about Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, because if you're my Instagram and TikTok no mudi o magron. Has it made it easier for, I mean, that's the question, for people to find their life partner?
Yeah,
do you have an experience?
I want to think so for some people, but me personally, I brother me now me ma say me pese me check kala no. Me dey be focus ekọ. Ti me ma say oh me sure me bitimi follow me sure profile me hwe nsem a wo kan ni ade after my bad DM mu na no abedi nkomo ahwe but wo how dey abedi nkomo 1 2 3 no. Wo ni be ba ho so mo say na bia brother James bi ho dada. Na sa go how ho abonze woni gusu chat na abon say or the invitation save the date pictures. Abegu
Next show.
Nanti media me try but I'm fine mama. But I think say yes akwan bi so no ama enkitahudie no ayetia. First no nanka uhia obi a eje se unadamfo wadamfo ansa na is between asem bia bebe mu a enti between adwuma no social media na ye between adwuma no DM no aha enti na nimnie wonimnie ene na patupa modidi nkomo na afa mu hia na se mo hwe na what you ordered and what was delivered pepper no afa ne cool enti unkohwe na what you ordered for and what was delivered no amboso a na say wa afa be adwane ade afa enti I think say in a way social media na boama are easy for a lot of people cause face to face no ya na edin e just say mu bi say na etimi e ba so face to face cause ye be kana amfa embo ye ho ye kwa to ase me ba me chire de si ye me chire mu ntro bia e hye mu ku e do bo ho apepa ho na ide
na say when you get on social media na ofa bi da
social media dey me fa girl ho da but dey me hu na nka me ko fa no me hu ni say hanom no social media na mboa ye ho da side no
the side
dating side because who ko share na wo man high na unya requesting the number now to be bisa straight questions say how many people no request for my number social media into no who say
one na mo
juma wudi
more experience so
but we come no now plan e bi ono na afi na we share na woni na kasa na omo attention na feel who can some no throw punchline mouth now I say never be stressful so you need to stay out from that but minimum crop so abo omo go into that amo mani age but few be
but so you say beginning no social media by unya partner ho na mo kasa mo be work kasa na wo social media oba no akohunu na oba ba be wa no wonim ne wa he wonim ne
be attend social media wire Facebook wire
people forget to say enipa na we share omo wa sorry no e share omo area no that same people in the social media
Facebook
on the social media no you everyday people it is me fan say obeta ko share obi wa sorry na be very good no aware no obeta me ko share obi on social media no very good no tin aware no the same way obeta ko share obi e wa sorry na wo ye very evil when any date ya problems and one the same way I think say social media no it's not like a evil place to be a wouldn't mean final love the same people they go but so we could share with be and make you sure say you don't throw away a beer to say and then maybe I will look for in a person. So my father can say maybe a beer or cast too much and I would be at and be some and pedia. We could share with social media and also make you sure that we'll check you all those things.
Ko pictures no one could see from
sir what your physical appearance anyway was so to me your homework so who's okay where is he coming from
and maybe not me person me yet go obi repost first video na me hu and I wanted to press na we said no hold on na me cut down me cut down the me hu and man paint me repost it
okay
Sarah na so obi so follow and who picture okwase e ko show kasa one ye ne niema kwa adwene kura de agu ho because ye niema na e de gu ho no e classify ye ma ye hunu Uni pursue 80%. Was social media, so we need the Hong Kong there. Now, so we show be from Sue to Form 1. Ube who said me 75 for the me who
Say no, dear.
say not here. Hey, yanti pay. Yanti pay wafa. Wafa who am you? Wafa who am me? Yanti pay.
Still,
Yanti pay. Honey. Ain't no more example of good things on social media, like marriage. And how many years? 4 years with one child and still going. It's very important. My lady,
Aka 1 year. So more the same, more 4 years in
Yeah,
it.
you want to 2 years.
2 years in it. Okay, and aka
togetherness is like 4 years.
aka
Knowing
3
yourself.
aka 3 years. After 3 ansana drills no, the early drills no motimi afam yi. Until after first 5 years na sa pick a different level.
I think I know where you're coming from. But the only difference between what you're talking about and us is that we have that experience before. My experiences are our
They are all
and then she's been
from-
married before. So
Many of them are veterans.
marriage.
I like that.
It's like 2 veterans. Also just
These are generals. These are generals who have been to the front line and have lost.
Okay, in your past relationship for how many years?
16 years.
Past relationship, no.
Yeah, 16 years.
16 good years.
Yes.
With how many children?
3.
3 children. And you?
And I
Past
did
relationship.
7.
You did 7. With how many children? 2. So togetherness with a newborn baby, you have
6. We have 6 kids.
you have 6 kids.
Yeah.
And as also yesterday, nobody will pata your fight.
No.
Munim tuo to dada, munim doje dada,
Uh-huh.
munim uniform shirt, and then munim timing, and then yama ya de koba.
Yeah.
Intiana also just know the experience na kasa wa ha.
Yeah.
Me bwana.
But
And if you were you know, say, Unim baby, kwako ende. In our experience now, no, yeah, man, koko. I say, Yakabonting. Our real mono bibiki to a be a sin. I don't know where you do that, mammy. A bit timid and toka magazine. And tokana ban, a advocate to a do. I say, baby, for now, baby, for a bit and dragging for like 3 days. You didn't that, say, bit and drag it. And because of that, no, you better prevent it. And just go have a conversation. And ma or pride in taking.
So you guys have learned from the red flags.
Yes.
I know mom na I think say a boy because a cynic at some we cry kuntoka. Who to many misunderstanding be a beba. By a man then so. Yeah, then say me I am happy to have her and say me before. Me will be a menye a buffon bar, me is also a very good casa no dia. Me make this I remember then my edin.
No avoid no.
So whenever she sees me say my edin pay. Nobody can. Or to an Moses here because she may especially if you them. I'm sure me them. I'm be TV. But TV na me TV no.
I didn't know where your kitchen hot, baby original no.
It's you or no beba or pass to my dear branch. The same way no so before. On that the end there. Said na na wo e na wo kasa yi. To see or no kasa. Or be kasa.
Me kasa hey. This is, I don't like this example.
More asam hamwa ubie ma no kan. Mo yankofo a mo masundie eba. I just a nipa only ni edile no. Sebio na because hey.
So I take Nana as an example. Sorry to use you as an example. I said when anything happens, that's my wife. Or no, not here. But the minute I can and I say I am your husband. So maybe be wrong. Learn how to talk to me. That's all it is. I made me here. Because me no, baby be an person then so we raise voice as a woman. It may me you know who said maybe who said maybe who said go for or kasa na or be kasa or maintaining the words I walk. What I say. I think that part I am lucky. I don't know a boy because baby be no work come as I say or be man na yere.
So now I want us to either let's say yen me per se bo ade bi so. E wo ha say just like yen ekwa asori ne an ekwa club. Yen wo fie ne an your social media no. What are the red flags that you think that so show you social media? Ya bubo bi so. Ebi ni say wa be your research, akọ deep. Ehunu nipa na attitude, ne kasa, ne dressing, hwe. Na akọ yuso opemi. Not a is mi bokro ndi ombekume abrochire baby. Ne pictures that time no. O mane me e frafra niema no na e kama. Wo ba Ghana no. Mi ko an airport na m degrade no. O she socks. E no dey share slippers no. E no share shorts no bo durag. Ena o share t-shirt bi na ne jeans. As a jeans no se shorts no. Ene ade nti na ma comment me ho kakra. Ma jiji na di kakra. Metin baby no so pe mi nti ho abosu mi bia o de die be die kakra ma ne me. Me so o de man me ti no me nya one time ne kasa kakra. Eni pa ya bro. And all this put together no ne no. Ama ye gina baby a. Wo bakra ne wo nante kra mi be hu baby a o de o de.
Ebisi.
Afi o bas no ba me fie ti sese ya. Unu to di 3 days of fie no na na fufuro. Afo no a house. Nana, the mount peme. No. Me say chirensam. I find in some gidi about me to me who fontem. And I feel me born around the man no na who say the ma comment no. Met me refund be. And of me man ska aya jiwe two bottom no near the renti. Edu dia na calculation kra o euro no. Ebi na aba ho no.
Na yoda na say anya bia na untimi polish no ma na nyese
dey. There be no be che because on tim nchen on ti promo a.
Yes.
Obese akọ.
And only problem ba ko aya blasters coaches ni face no. On the players no. On the players no amoba 2 days 3 days no be train no bia sa akọ ni team. Enti ama onu ntimi nya more influence. Oh boys no amoba on board so. But more times na blame na coaching na time ni sha.
World Cup time to
yes, time ni sha. Enti na coaches no mo bre ho no. But you know Nana. Beautiful girl.
Nana.
I'm for pen.
Everyone say Nana.
Nana. Oh, every case on the can answer.
Aye.
Nana who affair or local boy you call you see yourself saying. I feel when say bugger be starting in Nana didn't come. No, send the picture by. If your picture na bantia come and home for fair nice guy. And on me arrangements and I feel Nana be call canukunu. Oh, Switzerland. Tina call land or airport to know so I say for be judging how many fear am kuta placards. Na the dingo so na the receive no to buy no so on the track came ko fie afamo to omo no mo whiskey omo bon komo akwa bagana to say afọ ho bon say na we call ene unyami ko ene unyami ko so obi nya ko na call no luma ba ko no bi say daddy ba chona obana me worry no away okọ no my na I was daddy me where me babu tino where me babu tino early times ni pictures ni bi no na me amini
na de ye minimum brochure group na de baby wa kodu no eye eno no one ne kwatena ama na gini kakra owia no atu no for say on release you ana ohia no obaye de ana odwane eja no tie me Nana timi nkwato Nana service the kakra Nana timi gina ne naso ye because ade bi wo no ma a red flag.
Yeah.
Ade bi wo yete aye ka no me ye Nana 23 years na wada me timi adi wo de 77 picture be da bi ama me buy no u grey hair u you abodi se na wo me a da bi agi sam no maduro daddy metu Nana fo aka yes red flag with any 3 years said na me Switzerland my papa na attention be 1 year we nyi sent me ma what I say attention be 1 year na want na se no na nkan chen say jaman san And I just What
I
that?
Mr. Badingo.
On trans non Mr. Madingo. Me pa chow. Want to me twa Madingo mama so da bia. Akosi say. On hwe ne komodiem. E na we kra ya na empemfo sansom timodi ya leti omo. Also team sometimes na smart. Wa be judge mo ha no de me so ma dwen kire no.
No. I practical life.
I was it me na me jan ho nko ma be do Switzerland. Me som no kakra.
Yes.
Na me wi am jan kwan.
Yes. I know say I no cry no. I'll do who y'all pee. So cause
I know say so ba wo ba ko wo matchen.
And then lady, you haven't spoken anything. We were talking about these red flags. Well, let's mention a few and then we say bye-bye.
This one, dear.
Have you had an experience on social media?
No. But I have experience. I went funeral. I see a guy. I like that guy. So
Okay.
I comfort him.
You then?
Nana, I comfort the guy.
Okay.
And
then what happened?
Hello, can I have your number? I want to give your number to my kid sister.
Your kid sister? And then send her wow. And then what happened after that?
Then we chat. Then one day I went the guy house. Then when I see the room and the boxer shorts, I said no. This one, I will allow you to eat me, so I'm going.
Because of the boxer shorts?
Because of the boxer shorts, you see, wait. Is it
the thing in the boxer shorts or the boxer shorts?
Legs and the boxer shorts, no. It's not good for me.
The legs was doing what?
No.
The legs in the boxer shorts.
No.
It's like this.
Three legs.
So I decided to tell him that I saw let me land.
In the boxer shorts, there are 3 legs. Yeah, there are 3 legs in the boxer shorts.
But the one leg is shorter than the two.
So the legs
you see the strawberry in the boxer shorts. I said, no, this one, I won't allow you to eat me at all.
And then you went home.
I went home. The guy didn't give me the transportation. I borrowed a taxi.
Wait, lady, I'm confused. Which legs were you talking about?
The boxer shorts, not in the boxer shorts.
I said,
and strawberries also there.
Straw. Nana is a straw.
Okay.
But so
you decided to tell me that's a legs. That one that didn't went there. No, the legs, the my legs. No, I didn't take the forklift. So the legs in the boxer shorts is I decided to tell him that.
Please.
That is why I tell Nana Ama that allow me this one to speak in.
Where human rights are big.
Yes.
This is human rights are big.
Yes, sir. She send the boxer shorts in So I decided to tell the man that this one there, I will allow you to eat me, so I'm going.
Next time, and you're fair.
And you're fair.
Say the no. I want to know what your number no.
Kasaya.
To ben no who say wait there. Me mama who kwan cry go see aga.
So I have to stop.
I think that sometimes you need to go for your taste.
And at the beginning there she saw her taste.
Yeah, in the top on it
In
there.
this case, sometimes I feel like everybody should go in for a risk.
No,
When I land, you get
okay,
you get what I mean. Who go for risk?
Go for the risk. I did risk. Mas I did risk me upon.
Risk no. Who go for risk? Once any pan who wouldn't know. It's sometimes say mama your point. Say yes, any approach near see at least.
Na say tobo.
Nana,
what one minimum taste?
yeah.
Opa ba obosi. E one and two what two.
Hey.
Opa ba. And you crack a crowd one of
You are lying.
I need a crowd one.
Me who baby?
Aye. What you way?
Merry Christmas.
Jamie.
And a Joseph New Year.
Who now say, we are not born in you.
Oh, they are tobo.
Body.
And to who say, oh, yes, you come baby now, or you baby number. Moose of one, or you number. Oba no magye na mam say hey we ko ha no. Enya adwuma. Me ma friend bi.
Oh, but
Because tie me atori ba. Minim no. Minim ni spec no a. Eno de eku no kro obeden. Obetina ho no. Ana minim de wo kwagye nipa no.
But taste changes with time.
Taste cannot change with time.
Nipa so sa.
Mama class I'm sure in finding a lifetime partner no. Ye wo niema bia oba no bema nipa ne su ne wo mu ne epe. Sa niema no. Nyame boa na bia wonya tu na ye badwen ba. Utimi stick to nipa no. That is when a nipa no so no. What the input is very much welcoming.
Exactly.
What I say, me too. Me year adwuma, my year adwuma. Next year, menya 25 years on TV. Me nim dear. Me dear see ho for nchirima. I said the empire say ahunya. Na me nim say awrade ntimi wo bi. Me dear see ho for me nchirima. Na me nim me what taste. Inti say obi be come here. Me see me feel. Me what taste. Me what taste inti usisi me a me see me feel. Me nim ade a me pe. Na me wo bema wo me trim de me pe.
Yes.
Inti wo sa bema no. Me ba na adwumaden kakra wo bremu. Kasade kakra wo na ani ehundidie wo mu a. Ade a metumi aboa na nyina pe aka ho enyamsuro. Tio de metumi abo de ntia metumi aka se eno no metumi aboa bema bi wo no mu a. O watima. But onya obi can't ope command no say yenko asori. Obeko. Eni obeme wo so abese nya ne nyame fie nso a obompa here baba bone ewu ano. I timi pia pa no kwa de timi say pia no. You have no idea. Sometimes we say hwehwe nyame suro, bem wo suro nyame. Nyame amoa wa de obeka Bible na che odako na de nsa be wo wani. Dio owotima no. Udi ni kwa nyame fie a easy. But anyam pa bone de o shesi ko de oni fie Sunday bia ko asori no na ye tire ye hwe be mo nyam suru, and that's my belief.
No, sorry there. Sorry there.
It's a me was aspect we na me be hia na wo de Friday bia be so ko club.
What be that?
Said ye wo pa adwuma na wo bu me ni ade me no wo fie Friday bia wo ko club. Na no koi. Na no ukoi na no 3 months wa ko be 6 times a ho no se mitiminya botre e no kasa na eto aso dia me red flag no.
Okay, but na nipa no no call club dada
Me ne nko but me entertainer.
Yeah.
It is me no be call club, me no call purposely on occasion or something invited or once a while accompany you.
Yeah, because the entire make us say the lady kind. Oh, and another na accept such and say, Obi or ha, and power by and 9 fian. But ebia, oyi ne nan na yem fian to nchen a. Obon say odone sate man. Oh, and na same so yeah. Na obo ni ade man to be na ebia na nka o man the chance anka hu other side no man.
Amwa.
And if we be compensatory, allowance. And you know, a bit compensate. For
enye wa kono de no enti eno na muka se maybe trimo ode no de wo beye bia
be ba
so no but me be ba obeja wo hako because wo nye na kono de
enti me de say akono de aba enti na de bia me ka mesa ka bio say ye ni love at first sight. Say oba ne bem asem dia. Last at first sight.
Then as you are building the last.
Me red dress ne. Oh, atade na apan.
Enti na me tro say our spec opa na nentus wo ho. Opa kakra wo ho. E na opa we say nim ne ho asisi.
Because opa sa space.
Obo kra de space na nim ya.
Obo anyway. How you akwa fast so I didn't
know. Asore ba.
Akwa fast so.
Enti no red flag ni bi ni say.
Asore.
Wa wo tima wo mu. Enti ade ni bi won ma wo hu Now sum sisu mienu wa wakoma mu a wo papa nsa ase say a red flag ni because me was experience we ana ya me so say make kan because ya na obi nchemu ma me tie me fear me kan me come no crash or say me share obema wo sika e wo bibia bi opeso de ma nanso nu pesu na gina wona wo mpaninti no sika no kradu ba bia wo gya na otirimu gu
Yeah.
Close your eyes and eat there. It's tough.
Cause hey pa.
Close your eyes and eat. Yeah, when it is tough.
I saw them and a branch and call bugger aba and then the car sorry to call no who nice girl bisa I say get it to you fresh again it to so there will be any aje and or they are not the call again. I don't call again now. I don't call again now. Kodana, Jubi or the Hana Jack. I no shake getting. Yeah, we never. And you make up.
Sorry to you.
Sorry to you. What's your sister? Sorry to you. I am a young tuano. The young tuano na a fallen man. Oh, auntie, they are called last year. Is it going to last? See, so if the last can last, now I'll say a team grow into love.
And so
cause
on any question I saw them whether be not
because I don't know we never do ever free or they say the only amount of feeling me who my wife say no yes
tia so why ka say na
say ni mo edu kakra fine enti no enti say me obi am say me tesi atia
kasa be
na say enti na wo nipa no so ma tesi team developing.
Wo yire na etimi aboa ma taste na developing.
Sa pepepe.
Both ways.
How you gain
make
how you maintain.
Make ka say okwa nyina bre ya man kan ska ka wo that. E ma e bi obeso hu ye no. Obeso nso betumi anya ho abotre kakra.
Sa.
Am na chese am na minim ne nti akoba wo de onim bi e bi kra ma mi su junction ne so.
Yeah.
Se nipa sa no okodu fia.
Won say wa say
yen ka mi ma no but it's okay yen ko
I would think otherwise. Semikofia.
Now can Nana Kasim you use the word tema. It maybe won't say a nipa and a bear okay, say them nipa. Bema wo bao. Nipa we or what tema. I think say enona money.
Me dey me relationship that tema na number 1 o.
Yo.
Do what tema. Bibi say here can say oh me share me na we. Me share my wife classes. On kan ya tia nku. Ba na di why you class test I me fe. Tasa kamisa atema emanipa anama odona anama oba na amene wona ehu hia because bedu be mega say wo first wo tia no ko kama ya na de wa yi na kan kwase ma chen masade
nti wanyini every the last the love
what ya say e jana na mema bi enti sade na say ono no hu say me pe ema tia na yire be ke tia ko hu so be wu afi wi ase enti sade
Me say ushia bema no or tema. It is the most precious thing.
Yeah.
Ubetumi afa free bema ho.
Yeah.
And in a relationship no say bema no tema on for it comes natural. Na oba no so no eto ne so. Emma ne be very natural. Nti otimi ka say eh ejo de me hu so potential so be ye. Nti metena me kodwo.
Yeah.
On em person tro. Me de otema no eno na me de so wo hwe. Ehwe se na nam ka se mtia me yakra no react sen. Na eno no by the time I'm tin be ko be 3 days na manya migraine no reaction no. Se wo pass ya na ma take ho. One pass ya me ma asterix anyes anam ka no.
Yeah.
Na yakọ the next second contest. Nti edru wo no so na me hu se anu a o ma me ayi me ba ye. Se de e ba ye kura anu a wan nwini de ebedi wan nwu ba bi ebeda no yete ayi na sesa fiti anopa yete wo sa ya nsori anko a ebedu fie kura nsa na obi sa ne yen. Do you understand what I'm saying? But say me hian na se wa ba mayi a hwe me say woni battery bi anaba na ma ye ne on say me nya tan kwa man no from afar no menini manantu nyiba chinyina kasa kire wo what is anu so ne ha amesi delegate obi am na ba gina wo nchen am na hwe say won say na diam for everybody Into please, me and sister will take her back. I make sure say me me dey uja me just radio. Me ha adwene kakra in what terms I am fixed on you. Especially me who say kwadwo we glass adwuma. Na wo glass adwuma no. Ye ko gina ho ne enye promotion so me dey say ya na ye no. Say ya na me no be do 3 months no na me what's the sound? Ye natural.
We boutique. Yenye TikTok live. Nenye come share yen dada.
Meet. Now the camera need to turn. So no so kase wontimi nya me. Enema me with time na me tetew. What you say? It is say yenye ye ho face at that point of relationship ni mu a. Wo nya mo ka hire ma.
No.
And I wouldn't one time me woman. You say a man who future.
Aye.
And they wouldn't be a map per comfort. A ma ye per comfortability. So me share a sorry ba. I'm well level 300. Let me share sorry boy media general. Or pay. Nye pay na me bedio. But me hunu says I mean po. Edu baby ni post to be of man 2 year. Or horse obetim the miracle. Ebi a National Service Secretary because or then a link ebe try I'm a which Ghana is anyone I'm on na because I sorry about tema I sorry about pay kura nya hin so be make sure I sorry about nya time be some say me exam see aye wusua de ma me mo asa course we ya bi da no I sorry about pay partners ama na no mu ye sa niam na ma fe o ame ehunu say wo ube so ye mu I'm here do baby. It's na me trust say Tima no. Me dey hu yan mo relationship ah. It is a Tima no yira na na akua wo hoyi. Na be do baby na o da abonten. Tima no ko. But when him say metumi atwempra me yira achi ba abonten dey say akua be dwene ama akua hu me differently there. Me pesa me akua David. And that is the Tima masa.
Yeah, need dear funny.
You know, I was for me amu dia dan say said you to me share obi odofo e VIP mu no said you to me share odofo we yase no said you to me share odofo wa saw them said you to me share odofo e wo bia man dia wo de koma no no said you to me share odofo I say me a prophetess o me a BBS on when you what I say obi share ne dofo
on say high sense uma amutimi tetene man so the friend simple say promo no
sales na ya titi to say
who no obi wo ha no ko share ne dofo
yes
I'll share the way I'll share the sister the way I would that car Porsche mu say na otwama ye tete ade so na ba toy sister ade why dey o impress me pa what say so dey uni nyansani pa eno ano no afa high sense o mo ko high sense ya tete so eno ko share ne dofo
what I feel say so share na saw them na wa amani na wa hwe red flags no kra enye ya anye den enye ushia no VIP mu se de obi anya bi no na ma wani na ho kra no so oba no in and out business until as you are putting in or request them ma wani na ho God can bless you anyway. Just watch out for the red flags. Pray about it. Pray. Na dia na ebrebia empempia na erefini say. And now who pe relationship na share bi mu a. I am now refi old red flags no. You've seen it before. You've heard it before. You've witnessed everything no. But one better do from mu a. Now I see be a good one no. Now red flags. Please, my advice to you is a big watch out and pray about these things. Because prayer works for me when it comes to these things. Prayer no ye adwuma ma me say adamfo kra me no ya me honhom detective ma me say ink bi enkoye honya me ginidi because me who say me prayer answered and edia ban. Sometimes we need to believe in our instincts. because a do baby at Mukasa idea way me who you but man fan is serious. So but can we put an advice there? The goodness and the badness in meeting your partner on social media.
Nana, the goodness in the say.
Oh, let me ask you, do you agree say a good so we share on social media?
And I mean I agree so we share on social media.
And now when you agree?
Oh, no more agree because baby are more. Me to me baby I'm a baby are more no. I'm not the buy into I'm on the name said you control.
Western life.
I'm on the name said you control. Yeah, hano. Oh, so yeah, say I was social media no. Ebi I was social media no so cry, but yes room man. Inti etumi approach you. Omu ye no more approach you anya boni. No mun just say who omo na ye ko kan hi am say how many people have you say hi to them? Emwa.
You think that you can't find love on social media?
You can't.
Uni amote ya witness.
Me see omo na de buy. Social media baby omo wo no. Omo na de buy into one say omo tumi travel connection, omo tumi travel journey no. Eba ya to come and meet. Yeah, hi and
but mo be share no obi twa bi plane ticket man. Kana de oba send you mo.
What hang na before na me. It's omo na be omo hang ma, it's omo na two. Ari ya ha de. Wo nya je ne number na wo de ka. Onya de number ma na ka how are you mommy? Can I have your number? I guess I
need some data.
I think this the
but
mistakes
what would you say? To me, you know, the question said that social media makes it easier to meet somebody, no, and it has nothing to do with your work, no, because any permission the social media better tax them. We shall not want and I say we shall the church so better tax them.
Yes,
and that part has nothing to do with social media, but. To me, I think that it makes it easier because Nana, it's a brocha team. Answer na be share Ghana ni no. I'm a share sorry every Sunday.
And party.
And sir,
everybody's busy.
But people are all over. Open the organ abinya, the one Germany binya. Yes, for example, Kojan can be question on here in UK. The distance no what, but because of social media, the money easy. Am I intimate connect? And to me. It makes it super easy.
Nancy, I don't agree with you. Now let me ask sorry, ba.
Nana, wadaroma. Social media there.
Can you find true love as they are here?
Social media no, wiase na ewo mu no. Na ye dey call virtual platforms, so digital platforms show. And the reality na ekoso ho. Social media no, reality na ekoso e wo ho. Reality na ewo mu ni say nipa bone for ho nipa papa for ho you obi wo ho a ono no ho no hu say obetime anyi obi easy because yankasa voice entire ni won kanka be there chat no on say nipa bie na no kra kasa utimi ti nipa ne voice kra atimi ma on say voice spirit utimi discern into the nipa no spirit but say obo tester or testia different tetina na ya letter de kra de nanka at least the handwriting extra emotions so na ade kakra. Enti social media de obetime nya adofo ho. Saa so na betime akohia otanfo e ho. Na odofo ene obetime be dane otanfo ochina. How you gain something no is how you must maintain it. So enti se nipa no uko gain no e wa club a me pa cho. Maintain it say club, me call club nya de me call first trap me call first trap me sa mu ansa ge bia ba se yensa. Anti o say and say asana kiki mi twi. Ti am yes o afi me pese me je number. Me say me je number no so oh papa cho ntimi fa na number ma me. And I'm so I don't know so I'm married. And I'm
no but
and I'm saying like how? Oh no so that's my husband sitting there. He's the one who said I should dance with you because you're a decent guy.
Decent guy wanna do me.
Yes, because my sister is a decently. So I felt like wow. Almost that kind of entiase no. I'm a club, but Niku ni ready so obesa. Ebu out to papa, ebu out to back club so person no man saka can not tie nyom no twa.
Into say na yele no obi nkosi.
So na memra mesa hwe me dressing ni the way amete a me. But me say me meet me nya de be ma na ye de. Eye no. Me meet me nya sa. Me dem ga akwa club ama no obi akosa. Me so me the girls be brasa o. But me so no obi sa na me koko apai. Ampa unim. Height so abem. na salad no or height change me kakra nze me ntwi kura na me ntimi ntwi fili yes ah ela guy no le ko sai no guy no height ntino akwa ne nya correct
Ango.
I some me guess is that you know so the guy because about an guy in height no a fat ntino you know guy no very much jealous at the time we see a pro club on see come so onko only guy only time
lady
media
that's all, but do you agree that
no I agree that you can find genuine love via social media but them can say quite fast so no yeah it's one I saw the maintain so I'm for maintenance now I best say
okay
yeah
and media I agree with them
that
because it's not easy say Ghana woman be chat be ma say how are you where are you
it's not easy say you went to collect a number at the funeral ground
yes it's not easy so say kuya esa we see a boy ensem ma no enya easy kra say oba be approach be ma eti na me call approach ni na mani ankoso de owo na me call mechi no because or no supposed to come to me enti akuya me bo me ensem
yo so do you agree
them
you agree them
now your Nana do you
my
agree?
Nana see what
Do you agree?
Do I agree that you can find true love on social media?
Yes.
Yeah, I do agree.
Yes.
Okay.
I do agree. I feel say the obe share the plane no obe tumi ayo bone. First class one am tiem. Sarah na the obe share VIP mun so no obe tumi ayo bone.
Pentecost actually dem
kura no timi yo bone.
Yes, me dem hu ni say onyame se wo de ebe free ho aba. Obenya wo de wo ho.
Yeah.
En say de wo ka no. Se wo oba no so unim ne wo pe. Na hunu bema no na first thing na ya na my medical relationship mu die no wo metumi enya bi me de me nko me relationship mu sa me call relationship mu with enipa ne su because
na we be say we say no nyanko adom
da nyina
o
ni me record aka bo say me de me call relationship
mu o medwen say we dey say no dey say bomb pie obi abomb pie for the oni enti no dey say nyanko adom o ska dey say gogu say Ghana
na hard working na wunim say obetimi enya de wo pa you won't think it's a obi na wasa what the mouth. I don't know if it makes sense.
It makes a lot of sense.
You who say meeting a juma enya de me pe. Inti me expect be ma so be ma will be obeti amboa me ndwen sa part but rather like meeting na bobra like you need
as I want to say
yeah
so person de me ye comparison there me at this moment my support me need bebree but the make a chance my support ne say enso togu mamaji e person ba me tua ho
yeah
on adrena kwakwa because the people wants a po form
yeah
but still a po
yes
na me se me po biam na bedo asuko mi mu a me mpe de obetente so agunsu ni barada no me pe de ojare a obehu fi obeyi afrim
yes
bra na be correct me kakra hwe me kakra bu me pa do me pa se me nya san nyoma we ya de obeya ama me no metumi 10 times de ama
ala
sana mtie ba se me nya san nyoma no me ntumi welcome umpo because e ba ni sika dia they are there but sa sika no me wala wo bi a sika no ntumi press me sa na me ntumi hwe osen o more wa batwe
o sere
o na ase o nantri o shirt ansana ma ben wa hwe o motium no shirt
yes
e no shirt ni kon
yeah
me na come try
investigation
let me tell you something. If you want a neat woman, come neat. Be neat. Inward and outward. Me tell you. Me say me feel you and me feel you the want me to me. But me feel you na uni hwe. Life.
Cause life go see hwe what
you life.
Yeah.
Me dofo. I backyard kitchen ya kan say dey tie. And I ha no. Ya nyini. Ya we yanim ye tie futuo de nanso ye ka ne ya fam se de be obi ti wa wo de be ye dan suahunu ne wo hunu se Se Nana mposi say ya. Ene me so no ebia aba we ma me fan free ho. Basically, and I won't lie to you. If we have time, we'll go on and on and on and on. So let's just say goodbye to our viewers right now. Right? Yeah. I will say for backyard kitchen, VIP section. Now, you better munyina say, and the backyard kitchen some more share at your na mobile with the rona, the air the fire comments no. Ya jini nyina atum ye tie ni nyina bi anika so ya da mase bebre social media nti ene minim akua ene ne ho kani minim Mr. Brobeso ene ne ho kani out of social media their love drew me closer to them their love the way they are it drew me closer to them and when they also no mu feeling me and I'm me feeling ne yire no me timi like in the picture I said that one na so I can't follow me see but you see idea was say no but yeah dan e be sin to sa na tie erade so betumi ehira o say ya bi out of social media nti nya ya bobo si Mr. Fabi na ma wani nya den enna ho pa nya me hira wo obi bia o hwe da mu nyina ase sa na me ka o say McBrown sunflower e na ba because e do we am ensan am nkofa afofo san makofa afofo e na nya gidigidi ye ton ade pa ye ha ye ho ye mmomodin ase be push ye be forso e de ama obia na wo hia bi dia number yi I go screen yi so ane sa number yi ofre a wo benya dodo a pese otubia bro nya echi obi ade wo ye hampa no a fa McBrown sunflower shem sa na ye wo ne 1 liter so e de wo ho ye da munyina ase I was for high sense syntax tank my way insurance sa na holy insecticide spray, holy mosquito coil, holy mosquito repellent. Like I said, we were breaking and then ya 5 ebi amba nti pato next episode. I'm sure you'd be ever come home. Thank you for coming. The chicken was good. The conversation has been good.
And the MVP was the Kivo Classic Baked Beans.
Yes.
Response presenter again. Kivo Classic Baked Beans in tomato sauce. And on I would be a bon sapa. Would it brother na would it tea kakwa? Who's koyepa?
Fried rice for the
fried rice so the buso abos aya da. Kivo Classic Baked Beans in tomato sauce. And on anyway TV edu akajemu. Just so be a call super Kivo near KIVO. Kivo Classic Baked Beans.
Say brim.